Betting bots are designed to run 24/7, which means the automatic loading of markets is very important. In the auto load form, you can set unlimited numbers of different settings for the automatic loading of markets. You can add new auto loading settings by using the Add New button. This will open a new form where you will set options to automatically load markets. First, we set the name. For example, UK Win Markets. Then we select the event, horse racing. Then we select the market type. The list is currently empty, so click refresh, and then we get a list of the available markets. Then we select the win market type. And in the countries list, this is empty, so we need to refresh it. We select the Great Britain markets. Now we can use the preview button to see which markets would be loaded if we executed these settings now. We can see that only UK horse racing win markets would be loaded. Optionally, if you want to filter even more, for example venues, again the list is empty so you need to refresh, then you can select only the venues that you want to load. When you filter, it will only display available venues for which races start in the next one day, as we have set it to auto-load markets for only the next day. If we want to change the option to load the markets for the next 5 days, we can edit it here. Then, when you refresh and filter, it will list all available venues for the next 5 days. The same logic is used for competitions and countries and market types. The option In-Play Markets will set it so that it only loads markets that are in play right now. It will not load markets that haven't gone in play yet. In most cases, you will not be using this function, so do not change its value. The option Markets Going in Play will set it to only load those markets which are scheduled to go in play and offer in-play betting. The option BSP Markets, Betfair Start Price Markets, will set it to only load those markets which have Betfair Start Price Markets. Each set of settings can have an automatically generated description based on the settings that you've chosen. This one will appear like this. Or you can add your own description by clicking here and writing your own. Once you're happy with the settings, then you can set it to automatically reload the market every 6 hours by clicking here. In most cases, you don't need to reload markets more than 4 or 6 hours because Betfair usually makes all markets available at least 24 hours in advance. At the end, save your settings in both forms, here and here. It says settings saved successfully. Then you can click Auto Load to execute those instructions immediately. Then check your market grids view to make sure that all the markets you wanted to load have come and that you have set it up the way you want it. If you have any problems, feel free to contact us and we will do our best to help you. Thank you.